All right, so let the helicopter spool up. And here we go. Now that wobbling noise, that whoop, whoop, whoop noise, I think that is the vertical and horizontal stabilizer is really flimsy. Or no, not flimsy, but flexible. And it makes that noise. So I think what I'm gonna do is put some double-sided tape to stick it near the motor, and hopefully it'll stop that vibration. And I might change out the prop too to see if that fixes that noise, give it a reduction. So that's something. So really fun to fly, and it's small, but it's fat, which is fine, which makes it very easy to see. Right now I'm flying on a 3000 4S battery. So far pretty good. I'm not gonna do the auto stuff. I know it works. When you get this helicopter, the auto invert is off because it's in scale form, which is a good thing. But overall, it's a beautiful helicopter. And that's pretty stable. But overall, I really like this little bird. Really cool. It's a small part flyer, so you can fly in small kind of tight places. Make sure there's nothing that's going to obstruct your GPS signal, so you don't have a flyaway. And then what I like to do on my pre-flights before I take off is calibrate the GPS. That's just me. So right now I have my head speed at 65 and my tail gain at 22%. I think I'm gonna bump it up to 50%, and maybe hopefully that will help get rid of that noise, and maybe fasten that vertical stabilizer with double-sided tape like I said earlier, and hopefully that should get rid of the noise. It's really fast too, but yeah. So I think in next couple of videos on this helicopter, I'm gonna put some FPV camera, my GoPro that you see right now, like that I'm using, my GoPro 8, and I have like a little RC tank, and I'll make the helicopter go against it. But so far I really like this little bird. I think it's official. Oh, thank you. It's beating the squirrel by far. So very removable, very responsive. I like this new GPS unit. All right, there we go, 5 minutes. So let's land. And what I like about the little bird is that it's tall, so you can fly in kind of this kind of grass. It doesn't need to be fully cut, so that's a good thing. But overall, it's a great helicopter. I think you should get one. I'll leave a link in the description on it. Yeah, I think it's FLISHRC. This is where I got it from AliExpress. Came in a couple days, and they test the helicopter out in the factory. You'll see that in the build video. They had like 3 minutes, but so far they did a really good job. What I mean is, if you look at the tail, it's very wobbly. So what I'm gonna do, I might need to strengthen it so it doesn't wobble, but I don't know, that's another project for this today or another day. But so far, it's a beautiful aircraft. Well, thank you guys for watching this video, and have a great one.